Welcome to our installation guide for setting up a photovoltaic system on your balcony. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure a successful and safe installation. This video is also applicable to garden and wall solar system. 1. Preparation. Before you start, make sure you've read the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines. Also, gather all the necessary equipment for the installation. AC extension cable plug, screws and screwdriver. Start by assessing your balcony and planning the layout. Consider the number and positioning of solar panels, ensuring enough space for proper ventilation. 2. Installation. Step 1. Mount microinverters onto the rack. Install the photovoltaic bracket according to the instructions for the balcony photovoltaic bracket. Use a tape measure to mark out the installation points. Mount microinverter under PV modules at the installation points and avoid rain and sun. Step 2. Grounding. Fix the screws to the microinverter installation hole. Make sure that the grounding screw thread pierced into the bracket to get the best grounding effect. Step 3. Install Wi-Fi antenna. Install a Wi-Fi antenna for better Wi-Fi signal. Rotate the antenna clockwise until it is firmly secured to the EVT microinverter. Step 4. Fasten AC cables. Fasten AC cables to the rack with cable ties. Step 5. Connect PV modules to microinverters. Connect each PV module with the DC input cables of the microinverter. Step 6. Connect AC cable plug to the socket and switch on the PV system. Ensure all connection is completed, and then use the AC extension cable plug to connect the microinverter with the socket to switch on the PV system. Wi-Fi configuration. After switch on the PV system, Wi-Fi configuration is needed. To access our application, you can scan the QR code provided below or search for Envertech on the Google Play Store or Apple Store for download. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and location services in your phone before you start. Open Envertech and click Wi-Fi. Select Bluetooth. A. Select the same Wi-Fi name as the EVT serial number. B. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Return to the app. Enter Wi-Fi password. Please allow Envertech to access your local network. If not, it will cause configuration failure. Make sure you keep staying on the current network. If the Bluetooth doesn't open successfully, you will receive the following reminders. Select Envertech. Please turn on Bluetooth. At www.envertech.com. Additional training resources can be found online, including manuals and other support documents.